Yo, what up everyone, this is Brian Bracamontes, also known as GX-750. Subscribe to or follow my YouTube channel, Twitch channel, and Instagram. Alright, what up everyone, continuing off the major unboxing for my PC build. Let me get my knife out. Alright, so, I have my tablet here so it can help me look at the information on Amazon, the Amazon information, because I purchased everything through Amazon. So I'm gonna bring another package. I ordered through Amazon, but UPS is the one that ended up bringing it to me. This is the PSU. It's the Seasonic Focus GX-750 watt, 80 plus gold, fully modular PSU. It says here, fan control and fanless silent and cooling mode, perfect power supply for gaming and various application, SSR-750FX, whatever. The Amazon names are super long. I got this for $168.99. I'm gonna click here, see if the price is the same. Currently, it is new from $198.95 and free shipping from various different people you could buy from, basically. Alright, let's do this. Now, I have no extra detail to give you guys. Later on, I'll give more detail in a different video. This is just from the unboxing, so I can hurry up and get started with the actual PC building, and then I can start using it as soon as possible, because I really want to start gaming on it. My PC build is going to be good for 1440p gaming. If I want higher frame rates and stuff, like if I'm playing, I do play Call of Duty Warzone. If you guys follow along my Twitch channel or YouTube videos on Call of Duty Warzone, I'm currently playing on the Xbox One, the first model that came out in 2013. And yeah, the frame rates are pretty low, and the graphics, I don't even think it hits 1080p. If it does, then that's why it's slow. If not, 720. Basically, it's not visually appealing. This packaging is so thick. Alright, let's just tear this thing apart. Alright, the Focus GX, let me take the little plastic thing off. Alright, so this is it here. Alright, back side. If you guys want to close up on it, let me bring it closer to the camera so you guys can see it. There's the front side, there's that side, and there's the back side. And the bottom side has, oh, that's backwards. There you go. So, this is a Seasonic's Focus GX-750 watts power supply, fully modular, hybrid fan control, 80 plus gold. Okay, let's read off the back. High efficiency, 80 plus gold certified. The Seasonic Focus GX 80 plus gold certified power supply is rated to achieve 90% efficiency at 50% system load. Okay, fully modular cabling design. It is flexible. It is a flexible solution that optimizes cable management and reduces clutter inside the computer case. Compact size, 140 millimeters. This ultra high power density, small footprint, 140 millimeter deep power supply is an ideal choice for all cases, especially compact ATX ones, which is the case that I have. 120 millimeter fluid dynamic bearing, FDB fan. The lubrication inside the FDB greatly reduces friction, vibration, and noise, and increases the lifetime of the fan. Highly reliable Japanese 150 degrees Celsius aluminum electrolytic capacitors. Top grade Japan source component extend product life and ensure operation stability under extreme conditions. Seasonic hybrid silent fan control. The industry's first three-phase advanced thermal control achieves an ideal balance between silence and cooling at loads via three optional stages: fanless mode, silent mode, and cooling mode. The benefits of the system are: the fanless mode provides unsurpassed silence performance. Heat dissipation is optimized while noise output is kept at a minimum. The lower number of fan rotations extend the life of the fan. If the PC case requires constant active cooling, there is a switch on the back of the power supply which allows users to turn off the hybrid mode and have the fan run at all times. Tight voltage regulation, 12 volt, 5 volt, 3.3 volt, plus or minus 3%. Improved load regulation reduces voltage variations to provide smooth and stable operations. ample plus 12 volt output, enhanced plus 12 volt current capability broadens utilization of possibilities. DC and DC converter design, superior dynamic response and greater system stability, maximize the 12 volt DC rail output. Cable free connection design. Seasonic's engineers have implemented a new design feature where instead of cables, the back panel and PCB printed circuit board are connected by a copper plate. This breakthrough solution not only lowers the chance of the production errors during manual insertion, but it also improves output power quality. Good gold-plated high current terminals, MV, CPU, PCLE. Gold plating reduces current transmission resistance and increases efficiency. 10 years of warranty, our commitment to superior quality. So that's what it says on the back side. And I already showed you guys all the sides of the case. So let's see, let's get this open. Whoa. Paperwork, a user manual, bunch of zip ties, Velcro, like tie downs, and some screws. Let's see. Here's the power cable. I'm not sure if you guys want me to take it out. Okay. Oh, I'll just take it out so you guys can visually see. There's a power cable you connect to the back of the PSU, and then obviously this connects to your wall. 3-prong. Alright, some, I don't know what do you call this, vinyl? No, it's not vinyl. Styrofoam? I don't know. Here's the PSU. So the PSU, this thing is not really that heavy. That's how it looks like. I'm gonna bring it in closer to you guys. So this is how it looks. See that? There's where you connect it to, the on-off button. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, this is to turn on the hybrid mode or like keep it running mode. Here's like a bunch of information there. DC output, AC output. You guys could, if you guys purchase this, if you guys understand what this is. I don't yet, but that's just so you guys can see. Connections. I think the fan side is gonna be like this, so it's gonna be in like that in my case. And there's a little hole in the bottom of my case in a circle, so it indicates that the fan is supposed to be facing downwards to either blow out or in. All right. So we'll put that here. See this? This is what I'm talking about, the zip ties, tie downs. What else is in this box? More cables and stuff. Basically everything that's going to be connected to the back of there, what you guys saw, a bunch of cables, alright? I'm not going to take it out of the package, because I don't want to lose anything, and I don't want to mess any of these things up. I might have to read the instructions. This is my first PC build, but that's pretty much it. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching this unboxing video on the PSU. I will put the link into the description below. See what the current price is on this specific PSU. It might not be in stock, but hopefully it is for you guys. You guys give me a like, dislike, comment, subscribe to my channel, and until next time.